Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Vishakhapatnam location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for Process Associate position from EDMIUM. It is located in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary ranges minimum 12,000 to maximum 15,000 rupees per month. And coming to qualification details, candidate has to completed bachelor's degree and should be having strong knowledge of destination and local education systems. Experience, if there it is an added advantage. Ability to multitask under pressure and meet deadlines, visible orientation towards having high quality service as integral part of work ethics, computer skills including Word, Excel, internet browsing. These skills are must. So excellent writing skills are necessary. So these are all about the education qualification details, and you can also check with the responsibilities provided here, and interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 9505626262. Next, there is a job vacancy for assistant position from Apollo Hospitals. It is located in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and these are the work locations mentioned here. You please check with this, and you can also check with the responsibilities mentioned here. And for more detailed information about this position, you can visit in this website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for front office executive position from Positive Homeopathy. It is located in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So you need to handle front desk, given information, explain medicine, good talking. So these are the responsibilities required for this position. So interested candidates, for more details, you can approach them with a given phone number, that is 888686 809. Next, there is a job opening for purchase executive position from Sanath Pharma Private Limited. It is located in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary is 11,000 rupees per month for this position. And this is about the job description. Interested candidates, you go through it once, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for more details about this position. The number is 9059114865. Next, there is a job opening for accounts professionals position. It is from Newnet Technologies, located in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So they are looking for accounts professionals to work for a UK based client, and you should be having minimum above 5 years of experience using Tally or other computerized package. So you can also check here with the job description provided here. Coming to skills required, CA, ICWAI, MCOM, BCom candidates, and other degree candidates also eligible to apply for this position, and the candidates should be having knowledge on accountancy, excellent English communication skills, both oral and written. So you should be having these skills for this position. You should be having experience also. Interested candidates, you can check with the details provided here, and you can also send your resume to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job vacancy for ETP officer position from Vasant Chemicals, located in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. For this, the education qualification will be diploma in chemical or mechanical, or BSc in degree. So 2 to 3 years of experience is required for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job vacancy for process executive or senior process executive position from Venture Offshore Informatics Private Limited, located in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary range is 1,50,000 to maximum 3 lakh rupees per annum for this position, and it's a night shift, fixed night shift, and you should be having strong communication and organizational skills. You should be having experience in US insurance industry. It's an added advantage, and you should be able to handle international clients and should be flexible to work for fixed night shifts. Must reflect productivity with zero errors, generating and following up with new business leads, establishing and maintaining relationships with staff as well as external clients and vendors. And these are the responsibilities and the skills required for a candidate for this position. Coming to key skills required, you should be having strong communication skills and analytical skills for this position. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job position. The number is 7674887843. Next, there is a job opening for production officer position from Alivira Animal Health Limited, located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary range between 2 lakhs to 4 lakh rupees per annum for this position. And you should be experienced in APA Pharma is required and the reactor operation. So this is the job description. You please check with this, and for more detailed information, interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9100972606. Next, there is a job opening for production officer position from Molbio Diagnostics. It is located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary is 30,000 rupees per month for this position. And you please check with the skills and as well as with the responsibilities required for this position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job position. The number is 9972903153. Next, there is a job vacancy for data entry in Tally. So for this portion, it is from MDA Mineral Dhatu AP Private Limited. In this company, it is having they are hiring for this position. So it is located in Visakhapatnam location, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary is 15,000 rupees per month for this position, and you should be having 2 to 3 years of experience in accounts. So it is for both males or female candidates. Both can apply. It's a full-time job. You can walk into the interview by approaching them with the given phone number, and you can also get more detailed information through the given phone number, that is 9391475056. Next, there is a job opening for admin assistant position from Architect Projects, located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Coming to qualification, any graduates can eligible to apply. 2 to 7 years of experience is required. So these are the address locations. Please check with the locations provided here, and you can also check with the roles and responsibilities mentioned here. Interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for office assistant position from Navaradhi Technologies. It is located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. It's a full-time job. It is for only female candidates. The candidate have to manage service calls and sales leads, and this is about the job description. You please check with this, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9248098990. Next, there is a job vacancy for chemist position. It is from Vasant Chemicals, located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Coming to education qualification details, you should be graduate in BSc or MSc, and 1 to 2 years of experience is required for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is jobs@vasantchemicals.com. Next, there is a job opening for front office executive position from Amigo Service EU Private Limited. It is located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So coming to education qualification, it will be any degree. Freshers and as well as experienced candidates both can eligible to apply for this position. So office timings will be 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Coming to skills required, You should be having knowledge on telecalling communication skills, computer knowledge, and MS Office social media knowledge languages like Telugu, English, and Hindi. So you should be having knowledge in these languages. So coming to description, telecalling, appointments, scheduling, interaction with customers at office, database maintaining, and office maintenance and inventory management. And this is about the job description. You please go through it once, and you can also check with the details mentioned here. And for more detailed information, interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 91089195000105. Next, there is a job opening for marketing executive position from CPE Junior College located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So you can check with the details provided here, and for more detailed information and inquiries, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9666829555. Next, there is a job opening for digital marketing executive position from Sangamitra Media. It is located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary range between minimum 15,000 to maximum 20,000 rupees per month. And please check with the details provided here. And for more detailed information about this position, you can approach them with the contact number, that is 9908335333. Next, there is a job opening for sales executive position from Vizra Frozen Foods located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary range between minimum 10,000 to maximum 15,000 rupees per month, and fresher candidates can eligible to apply for this position. It's a full-time job. You can also check with the job description provided here, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job position. The number is 8977717771. Next, there is a job opening for telemarketing executive position from Shamgar Software Solutions located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So they are going to offer a salary range between minimum 1,16,000 to maximum 2,78,000 rupees per annum. Salary is based on the commission. It is for credit card enrollment. So please check with the description, and for more detailed information about this position, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9492409777. Next, there is a job opening for sales assistant. It's a part-time job. It is from Paramount Medical Agencies located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. You can also check with the job duties and as well as with the requirements mentioned here. You should be passed at least to 10th. You should be having own vehicle and driving license, Android smartphone also. So you should be having good communication skills, ability to memorize products and relaying it to customers. So these are the requirements for this position. So interested candidates, you can apply, and you can approach them with the given phone number for more details about this position. The number is 8333905214. Next, there is a job opening for customer service representative position from Navaradhi Technologies located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. It's a full-time job. You can check with the job description provided here, and the details mentioned here, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 9885223770. So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.